I hope you are well by the grace of the Almighty Allah. Today I am going to take an interesting English class. I am Mohammad Mukhtar Sen, Assistant Teacher English, Islamia High School, Timamudhur, Kaunia, Rangpur. Look at the picture. What can you see here? You can see here the picture of a Shahid Minar. What is it about? It is about our beloved mother tongue. What was sown on 21 February 1952? The seed of independence was sown on 21 February 1952. Our today's topic, Independence Day. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to ask and answer questions, infer word meaning from context, write a paragraph. Word meaning: mausoleum, gravestone, procession, manifestation. Independence, freedom. Independence means freedom. Now the bird, freedom from hand. Spectator, viewer or onlooker. Illuminate, brightening. Look at the picture. Notice the picture. This is Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. This is the picture of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. He is going to deliver a lecture. He is going to deliver a lecture. On his lecture, he declared the independence of Bangladesh. এবারের সংগ্রাম স্বাধীনতার সংগ্রাম। রক্ত যখন দিয়েছি আরও রক্ত দেব। Let us enjoy the video, the historical speech of the 7th March of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Genocide of Pakistan Army. পাকিস্তান সেনাবাহিনীদের গণহত্যা। My dear learners, now I am going to read the text and you will observe it carefully. 26 March, our Independence Day, is one of the most important state festival The day is celebrated every year in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. It is a national holiday. All offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. The day begins with 31 gunshots, gun salute. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister, on behalf of the nation, place floral wreaths at the National Mausoleum at Savar. Then other leaders place floral wreaths at the National Mausoleum at Savar. Then other leaders, political parties, diplomats, social and cultural organizations, educational institutions, and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. People from all walks of life also go there in rallies and processions. There are many cultural programs throughout the day highlighting the historic struggle and sacrifice in 1971. In Bangabandhu National Stadium, school children, scouts and girl guides take part in various displays to entertain thousands of spectators. Educational institutions also organize their individual programs. Sports meets and tournaments are also organized on the day, including the exciting boat race in the river Buriganga. My dear learners, I have already told you about genocides. This is the picture of genocides. Liberation War of Bangladesh. You are observing the Liberation War of Bangladesh. Creating emotions. You are noticing the pathetic scenery of freedom fighting. That means Mukti Juddho. This is the picture of the surrender of Pakistan's general. The Pak army surrenders and Bangladesh comes into being as an independent country. Here you can see the picture of National Mausoleum. Bangla meaning Jatiyo Smriti. We achieved it after a long fighting. What can you see in the picture? It is a National Mausoleum. Where is it? It is at Savar in Dhaka. Where is it? It is at Savar in Dhaka. Why was it built? It was built to commemorate the freedom fighters of Bangladesh. My dear learners, the next part of the lesson will be discussed in the next class. No more today. Allah Hafiz.